Hey guys, and welcome back to SvenDesigns video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Fortnite thumbnail 2019. So I'm going to start right away. I'm going to click File and New. 9020 by 1080 pixels, that's the resolution of every thumbnail and video on YouTube, so be sure it's on that. A 300 resolution in pixels inch. RGB color is what I recommend. And I'm going to use my background as white as my preference. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to zoom out one time. And I'm going to start immediately by placing the background for this thumbnail. It's going to be this one. It's the Fortnite Chapter 2. One of the images. There we go. So that it overlays a little bit the image. So next thing is going to make this black and white. There we go. And I'm going to add some adjustments. Brightness and contrast. Actually going to add a second one because I know we'll need more of them. And you just want to play a little bit with this. And see what looks the best. Actually what we're going to do first is going to place this yellow one over here. Okay, there we go. Gonna click on normal, gonna click on multiply. Just gonna be sure this is all above the brightness and contrast here. So I wasn't done with this one. Just gonna add some more contrast here. Alright, minus 20, I'm gonna go for that. Looks pretty nice, I'm gonna keep it like that. And now I'll go and place something else above it, which is the logo. I got it also right here. There we go. Just gonna make this white in a second. Actually make it pretty big, so that it jumps out. And as I said, we're gonna make this white. Just gonna use a color overlay for that. Be sure it's all the way to white. There we go. And also immediately gonna add a outer glow. Okay, there we go, that should be good. Maybe from close up you think, oh that's a lot, but you will see from distance, these thumbnails, as you can see, it's pretty good. Like from distance in any case, it's the only thing that really matters. Because most people will see the thumbnail from far away. So I'm just gonna add something else here, which is this guy. It's one of the skins of the new season, and I think he would fit pretty well on this thumbnail. Right, I just have to see what is a good position for him. It needs to be even a little bit bigger. Don't worry, he will look better in a second. Okay, so I think I'm gonna keep him like this. This looks pretty good. Okay. So I'll make him black and white. So I'm gonna use a black and white here. I'm gonna be sure that I do create clipping mask so that only affects him. And I'm gonna add 2 brightness and contrast as well. So there we go. I have to place it above here. There we go. And also just look a little bit what looks best. Just gonna put the contrast up first. And make him like around minus 20, I guess, minus 17, 18 is good. Just gonna put up the contrast here. Alright, let's keep it at that, I like that. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type thumbnail tutorial 2019. So I'm just gonna do that right here. I'm gonna use the same font as the Fortnite font, which is Burbank Big Condensed. Just gonna type thumbnail. Tutorial. (2019). There we go. Just gonna make this one yellow. Same yellow as the background, by the way. So I'm just gonna go here and take the code here. I'm gonna make the second one, I'm gonna make white. And the third one I'm also gonna make yellow. Alright, there we go. So I'm just gonna start placing this in the middle. Let's see, this should be the middle. Around here, there we go. Alright, so I'm gonna make a group out of these 3. Alright, so I'm gonna look a little bit how much outer glow I'm gonna add. Alright, yeah, there we go, I like that. I do need to make it bigger, obviously, because this is not, because you can't really see it from distance now. So I'm just gonna make this quite bigger. Just gonna make it even bigger though. Alright, I think I'm gonna go with this. There we go. Now I'm gonna add one last thing. I'm gonna add an empty layer here. I'm gonna zoom out like twice. I'm gonna add the finishing touch, something that looks pretty nice. I'm just gonna take my brush tool here and I'm gonna be sure it's on yellow. The one that I use a lot, this one. And I'm gonna add like these, yeah, how do you call it? Like I'm gonna use the brush tool to add some glow on the underneath, and I like that. It looks really good actually. Okay, just add one more little layer here. Okay, it's something like this. And like, I think, yeah, there. Okay. Does it not go to the image too much? Let's see. Alright, and there we go. Alright, and there we go. I'm gonna leave it at this. We should be finished by now. We don't have to do too much for it. I like it, to be honest. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna leave it at this. Here you have an idea of how you could make a Fortnite thumbnail. 2019, and the theme of like the chapter 2, Fortnite. Doesn't matter, whatever. It's an example. You can always use it. You can always take inspiration from it, whatever you want. Or do exactly what I did. I don't care, you can do that. In any case, I hope I helped. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.